Funtoys emergency broadcast, date. Time, 14:23, due to incident in Area 4C, all staff shall not be able to enter Area 4C, 4C is now classified as out of bounds. Thank you all staff for listening to this broadcast. Stay calm and continue working hard making toys. Funtoys emergency broadcast, date. Time, 14:44, the classical Funtoys magic cube is sentient. I repeat again, the classical Funtoys magic cube is sentient. IT has been spotted around Area 4C, 2C and 1C. Please do not try to confront the magic cube. Please remain calm, and follow instructions from all high-ranked staff members. This is an immediate alert.